you know what, chat?
Hello guys, it's ZJ Mook, and Steak is trying to hit 5 million subscribers. He's aura farming, so everyone be quiet right now. He's live right now.
What would you do if you don't hit? I messed it up, chat. I messed it up. Everybody always asks me, Steak, what are you gonna do if you never hit 5 mil? I guess we'll never find out.
Yo. Yo! He hit 5 mil! Steak just hit 5 mil! Yo! No way! I was here in the chat. Okay, bye guys.